David, quick question. What's the capital of Kazakhstan?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, and what time does the next train leave?
I don't know.
And what do you think we should do this weekend?
I don't know?
Three completely different questions, three completely different feelings, and David gave me the exact same three words every single time.
Okay, I see where this is going.
If you've ever felt stuck saying, I don't know, over and over, even when you do have something to say, this episode is for you. Stay with us. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluentto, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David, and today we're fixing one of the most common habits we hear from English learners, that little phrase that gets repeated way too often.
I don't know.
It's not wrong. Grammatically, it's perfectly fine. But here's the thing. Native speakers almost never just say, I don't know, and stop there. We add color to it. We show what kind of not knowing it is.
Exactly, because I don't know the answer to a quiz question feels completely different from I don't know what I want for dinner, which feels completely different from I don't know how to explain this feeling I'm having.
Same three words, three totally different emotional situations. And today we're going to give you natural, real phrases for each one.
By the end of this video, you'll have 6 new ways to respond, and you'll actually understand when to use each one, not just memorize them.
Let's get into it.
Quick reminder for anyone new here, we teach using something we call the OSE method: observe, speak, extend.
First, you observe. You listen to how the phrase is actually used in a real conversation.
Then you speak. You try saying it yourself, out loud, right now with us.
And then you extend. You take that phrase and stretch it into your own life, your own situations.
So don't just watch today. Speak with us. Pause if you need to. Your mouth needs the practice just as much as your brain does.
All right, let's start with situation number 1, the one everybody knows. So picture this. You're at a trivia night with friends. Someone asks, which country has the most natural lakes in the world?
And honestly, I don't even know right now, recording this.
Me neither. And that's perfect, actually, because in this situation, a fact you simply don't have in your head, native speakers love a short, punchy phrase.
No idea.
Just that. 2 words. No idea.
Let's hear it in context, as a quiz host.
Okay, next question. What year did the first iPhone come out?
Ooh, no idea. David, do you know?
Honestly, no idea either. Let's guess 2007 and move on.
See how casual that was? No idea is relaxed, it's quick, and it's perfect for low-pressure moments. Quizzes, trivia, random facts.
You can also stretch it a little. I have no idea. Or even more casual, haven't got a clue.
Haven't got a clue is very British, very informal, but super common.
Let's practice. Repeat after Anna.
No idea. I have no idea. Haven't got a clue.
Great. Quick tip though, don't use no idea with your boss when they ask about a work deadline. It can sound a little too casual, almost careless.
Right. Save it for friends, games, random facts, low-stakes stuff. Okay, situation 2. This one's bigger. This is when you sort of know something, but you're not confident.
This is the most useful phrase on this whole list, honestly. I'm not sure.
It's soft, it's polite, and it leaves the door open, like you might know a little bit, just not enough to be certain.
Let's set the scene. Anna, you're asking me for directions.
Excuse me, do you know if this bus goes downtown?
I'm not sure actually. I think it does, but you might want to double check with the driver.
Okay, no worries, thank you. Notice David didn't just shut the conversation down. He said, I'm not sure, and then he added something helpful. I think it does, but check with the driver.
That's the secret. I'm not sure, plus a little extra information makes you sound thoughtful, not unhelpful.
Here's another version for work or school. I'm not 100% sure, but let me check.
That one's gold. It shows you're not just giving up, you're taking action.
Let's practice the rhythm together. Repeat after me. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I think so. I'm not 100% sure, let me check.
Beautiful. Now here's a real test for you learners. Try answering this question using I'm not sure in the comments below. Is it going to rain tomorrow where you live?
We'll be reading your answers, so really try it.
One more version worth knowing. At work, if your manager asks something you genuinely can't answer yet, try, "That's a great question. I'm not sure right now, but I'll find out and get back to you by end of day."
That sentence alone can completely change how professional you sound in a meeting. It shows confidence and honesty at the same time.
Exactly. You're not pretending to know. You're showing that not knowing yet is just part of the process. All right, situation 3. This one trips up a lot of learners because it's not really about facts, it's about opinions.
Someone asks you, what do you think about working from home versus the office? And your brain just goes blank.
Right, and a lot of learners panic and say, "I don't know." But that can sound like you don't care about the question at all.
Instead, try, honestly, I haven't really thought about it.
It's honest, it's warm, and it gives you space to actually think out loud in real time. Hey, so what's your take on all these AI tools everyone's using now?
Honestly, I haven't really thought about it deeply, but I guess I like the idea as long as people still think for themselves.
Yeah, that's fair. I feel kind of the same way, actually.
Did you catch that? I said I haven't really thought about it, and then I kept talking anyway. But I guess...
That little word "but" is doing a lot of work there. It signals, I'm not avoiding your question, I'm just thinking as I speak.
Another version. That's a good question. Let me think.
Or even simpler, I'm still figuring that out myself.
That last one is great for big life questions. Career, relationships, where you want to live.
There's also a slightly more confident version for when you're getting closer to an opinion but not quite there yet. I'm leaning towards yes, but I'm not 100% sure yet.
Ooh, I like that one. It shows movement, like your opinion is forming in real time right in front of the other person.
Let's practice together.
I haven't really thought about it. That's a good question. Let me think. I'm still figuring that out myself. I'm leaning towards yes, but I'm not 100% sure yet.
These phrases buy you time, and they sound completely natural because native speakers use them constantly. We don't have instant opinions about everything either.
Okay, now we're getting into deeper territory. Situation 4, when someone asks how you feel and the feeling is complicated.
This happens a lot. Why are you upset? I don't know. But that's not really true, is it? You probably do feel something. You just can't put it into words yet.
This is where we say, I can't really explain it.
Or, it's hard to put into words.
These phrases are beautiful because they validate that something real is happening inside you. You're just not ready to label it yet.
You've been quiet today. Everything okay?
Yeah, I don't know. I just feel a little off. It's hard to put into words, really.
That's okay. You don't have to explain it right now. I'm here whenever you want to talk.
Thanks, David. That actually helps.
I love this one because it's so human. Sometimes we genuinely don't have the vocabulary yet, in any language, for what we're feeling.
And that's completely okay. It's hard to put into words is not avoiding the question. It's being honest about something complicated.
Let's repeat these together, slowly. I can't really explain it. It's hard to put into words. I just feel a little off today.
These are wonderful phrases to have ready because emotions don't wait for you to reach an advanced level of English. You need them now, at A2, at B1, exactly where you are. Situation 5, and I think we've all been here. Someone asks you something you used to know, but right now, total blank.
Like when someone says, "What's that restaurant we went to last month called?"
And you just freeze. This isn't really "I don't know," it's more like "I don't know right now, but I did know."
For this, try, "It slipped my mind."
Or "It's on the tip of my tongue."
Oh, that one's so visual, isn't it? Like the word is right there, almost coming out, but not quite. What was the name of that movie we watched last weekend? The one with the dog?
Oh my gosh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Give me a second.
Take your time.
It's completely slipped my mind. I'll text you when I remember.
Both of these phrases are perfect because they tell the other person, I knew this, my brain just isn't cooperating right now.
Much more natural than a flat I don't know, which makes it sound like you never knew in the first place.
Practice time. It slipped my mind. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Use these with friends, family, coworkers, anyone. They're warm, relatable, and every native speaker has said them 100 times.
And one more for this category. If it's a name you've forgotten, you can say, I'm blanking on his name right now. Blanking, like your mind just went completely blank for a second.
Happens to everyone, even with names you've known for years.
Quick bonus situation, because this one comes up constantly. What about when you genuinely know the options, but you just can't choose?
Like at a restaurant, do you want the pasta or the salad? And your brain just goes back and forth, back and forth.
This isn't really I don't know either. It's more like I know both and I can't pick.
For this, native speakers say, I'm torn.
Such a great little phrase. It paints a picture, like you're being pulled in two directions at once.
So, pasta or salad?
Ugh, I'm so torn. The pasta sounds amazing, but I had pasta yesterday too.
Go with the salad then. You can have pasta again this weekend.
True, true. Okay, salad it is. I'm torn works for restaurants, for choosing between two job offers, for deciding which movie to watch. Anytime two options are both genuinely tempting.
A close cousin of this phrase is I'm on the fence, which means almost the same thing. Undecided, sitting right in the middle.
Let's practice. I'm torn. I'm so torn between the two. I'm on the fence about it.
Great! Now we really do have all of our situations covered.
Last one, situation 7. Sometimes you genuinely don't know, and you also know exactly who does know.
Like if someone asks you a question about your coworker's schedule or your sister's plans.
You'd have to ask Maria. I'm not sure of her schedule today.
This is so useful because it redirects the question politely instead of leaving the person stuck. Hey, do you know if Maria's coming to the meeting today?
You'd have to ask her directly. I'm honestly not sure of her schedule today.
No worries, I'll message her now. Thanks anyway.
See? Helpful, polite, and it moves the conversation forward instead of stopping it dead.
And there's an even more casual version of this for friends and family. That's more of a you question, meaning the other person is really the one who'd know.
Or with kids, parents love saying, ask your father, that's his department.
So true, every family has a version of that line.
Let's say the main ones together. You'd have to ask him. You'd have to ask her directly. That's more of a you question, honestly.
Perfect. That's all 7 situations.
Okay, let's bring it all together because I know that was a lot of phrases.
Quick recap. Quiz or random fact, use no idea.
Uncertain but want to help? I'm not sure, but...
Someone asks your opinion? I haven't really thought about it, or let me think.
Something emotional and hard to explain? I can't really explain it, or it's hard to put into words.
Forgot something you used to know? It slipped my mind, or it's on the tip of my tongue.
Can't decide between two good options? I'm torn, or I'm on the fence.
And when someone else has the answer, you'd have to ask,
7 situations, 7 natural responses, and not one boring, repeated, I don't know. The real lesson here isn't just memorizing phrases, though. It's noticing that not knowing isn't just one feeling. It's many different feelings. And now you have the English to match each one.
That's the extend of our OSE method, by the way. Take these phrases out of this video and into your actual life this week. Use one today.
Let's do one last role play where David has to use a few of these naturally back to back. Ready?
Ready.
David, what's the capital of Kazakhstan?
Okay, no idea, honestly.
Fair enough. What time does the train leave?
I'm not 100% sure. Let me check the app real quick.
And what do you think we should do this weekend?
Honestly, I haven't really thought about it yet, but maybe something outdoors? Let me think a little more.
Okay, last one. Pizza or sushi for dinner tonight?
I'm so torn. Both sound incredible right now.
And do you remember the name of that cafe we found last summer?
It's completely slipped my mind. It's on the tip of my tongue, though. Give me a second.
See the difference? Same David, same questions, completely different energy.
It's such a small shift, but it makes you sound so much more natural and honestly more confident, even when you're uncertain.
And that's really the goal here, isn't it? Not perfect English, just real, honest, natural English. All right, everyone, that's our episode for today.
Before you go, drop a comment below using one of today's phrases. Tell us, is something currently on your tip of the tongue? Or is there a question in your life right now where you'd honestly say, I haven't really thought about it?
We read every comment, and we love seeing you practice in real time. Don't worry about making it perfect, just try it.
Here's your challenge for this week. Catch yourself the next time you want to say, I don't know, and swap it for one of today's phrases instead, even just once.
Your brain will thank you later, trust us.
If this episode helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss next lesson, and give this video a like. It really helps more learners find Fluento.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to sound natural. You just need the right phrase at the right moment.
See you next time, and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.